I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo and click on Bid Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select an action. GamiPress. Connect. Connected with GamiPress successfully. Next. Choose an action. Choose an enter point. Map the respective fields. I am using custom form fields. You can use a number field on your form field. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now create a new user. Go to incognito mode and log into your new site which you recently created. Go to the site post and post a comment. And go to another site and go to comment and approve the comment. Now go to your user's profile and you can see here after the comment the points balance was added successfully. Thanks for watching.